ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, BGM ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಟಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೌನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
Music directors Vivek and Mervin. First, when we thought of this film also, we wanted a new sound for this film. So, first feeling was it's so fresh. So, when you're getting such a fresh feeling from a script, why not sound-wise also let it be fresh? So, that's when Vivek and Mervin entered, and you've seen one, like the first song released, they said, very good song. Second song released, very good. Third song, very good. From fourth song, they're talking about the album. You know, they're calling this album one of the freshest albums in recent times. You know, it's like, yeah, we've had hit songs, but this sound was so fresh for them. You know, and like kottaga in the sense, how do you say it in Kannada? Kottaga, yeah. So they've done a phenomenal job, and we have a nickname for them. We call them Maggie 2-minute noodles. So 2 minutes they get a tune, 2 minutes they get a song.
Amazing, okay.
So
Instant.
Yeah. Because in Chinnigundalo, it hardly took us 1 day to complete the entire song, but it's such a big hit. So nobody would expect it to happen in such a short span of time. You know what I mean? So they're extremely talented, and they'll go along with it.
Wow. ಮಹೇಶ್ ಅವರೀಗ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಕಿಂಗ್ ತಾಲೂಕಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಉಪ್ಪಿ ಸರ್ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊನೆ ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಗರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಒಂದಾಗ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಒಂದಾಗ್ತಾರ? ಅದೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ವರು ಸಿನಿಮಾ
ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಇದೀಗ ಕೊನೆ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ, if you want to mention the team, ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, what did you learn in this process, anything you want to wind it up?
Yeah, I mean, like, you know, I was just excited to be a part of a beautiful story. Like, it's just a very beautiful story, so I'm in love with it. And starting with, I think I like to talk about our director Mahesh. So he just knows the right meter for the character, you know, like as an artist we're here to perform, we're here at your service, but he knows what exactly is required for Mahalakshmi, what emotion and how much. And I think that meter really helped me, and whatever the performance you will see, it's all due to him, because if not for that meter I wouldn't have known Mahalakshmi so well. And coming to Ram sir, I think if you watch the film, because I've gotten to shoot with him throughout, every expression, every body language was just perfect, and I was like in awe, like a fangirl. I was like, oh, how did you do this? And I don't think I've ever seen him like that before. You know, I've always seen him in different genres, but this is something very fresh, and I was very excited. Like, when you have fun shooting, you know the audience is also going to have fun watching it. And Uppi sir, like, we had one scene to do, but I'm saying, like, I think in this film he's so important to us, extremely important, and it takes a lot of pride and courage to be in a film and play this character, and we really thank you for that. Thank you so much, sir. Genuinely, like, I know what this film means to us, and for you to be a part of this, it's also adding.
I did just for my fans. That's it. No more.
That's so
And
sweet.
one more thing, he was mentioning that, you know, when he's explaining about the relationship, he's like, we do films for money, fame, and all of that, and it's disconnected. I don't believe that it applies to him, because we were having casual conversations. Like, I think more than the film, we were discussing about life and, you know, general things. Like, I would want to know more about. So for him, he's the kind of filmmaker who wants to put out a message to the society in a very entertaining way. So even though he's saying that, you know, I've done all, you know, this kind of film, that kind of film, every film made a lot of sense. You know, that's why he has the respect that he has today. That's why he has the reach in the masses, and at the same time people respect him for that. And that's also, when Mahesh and I were discussing also, that's one of the reasons why, you know, after Rajnikant sir, I think Upendra sir is one person who has so much philosophy in his life. You know, we respect him, we look up to him for that. So this character requires someone of that stature, you know what I mean? Not just mass masala dances and all of that, but yeah, this man, I will listen to what he says. That stature, that respect needs to be there, and he has to be a superstar. It's a very rare combination. If not for him, we don't know whom we would have gone, because it's very difficult to get this kind of a combination, you know what I mean? So yeah, thank you so much for being a part of this film, sir.
Yes, sir.
To add to this, madam, he has done for half remuneration after liking this thing. He wanted to tell this thing.
So after a hit, you will pay double remuneration, sir.
That's good. Yeah, sure.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 10% ನೀವು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಇವರು.
And really, he loved the character a lot, and he wanted to do this at any cost. So he never discussed about remuneration or anything.
Okay.
He's so kind.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರವಿ ಸರ್, ಇದೀಗ ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ 5 ಸೂಪರ್ ಡೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಗಲೇ ನಾನು 2 ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಉಸ್ತಾದ್ ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಟಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೌನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದ 3 ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಡಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೇಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ?
Ustad Bhagat Singh, almost we have done with shoot of all Pawan Kalyan sir's part is over.
Wow.
Now just 10 days, 12 days pending. We are shooting in Mysore.
Okay.
In a few days we will start and it will be completed. Probably we are releasing it in April, summer, first film or something like that. And it has been done in a big scale, and you can really expect there is a backstory for this. Harish Shankar sir and Pawan Kalyan sir, their combination, Gabbar Singh was a huge hit. Definitely it will be bigger than that, and the scale of the film is very, very huge. And recently Pawan Kalyan sir's film Oji did magically well, and it is one of the biggest hit in our Telugu industry. And this thing, we are hoping that this Ustad Bhagat Singh, it will surely cross Oji. We hope so, and we are pretty much confident. And Harish Shankar sir, he is one of the finest commercial director we have ever met in our journey. Any film you see, it will be very, very commercial, and with Pawan Kalyan sir, he is the master in that. He will say definitely come out with a extraordinary product. Yeah, that is the connection here is Harish Shankar sir is a huge fan of Pawan Kalyan sir. And again, see, we can expect wonders with Ustad Bhagat Singh.
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಮಹೇಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬಸ್ಟರ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೆಡಿ. ನವೆಂಬರ್ 27 ನಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಸಿಗಲಿ. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳೋದಿದ್ರೆ?
Just checking my phone, please.
You have written something? ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಅವರ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿ ವೈಫ್ ಏನೋ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾರಂತೆ.
ఓకే, 27కి థియేటర్కి వెళ్ళి సినిమా చూడండి.
27ಕ್ಕೆ
27ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು
27ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲವ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಸಾರಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸರ್, ಪ್ರೀತಿ
ಪ್ರೀತಿ అంటే love.
ಲವ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಓಕೆ ರಾಮ್ ಸರ್, ಇದೀಗ ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲು, ಆಂಧ್ರ ಕಿಂಗ್ ತಾಲೂಕಾ ನಾವು ಈಗ ತೆಲುಗು ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಅಂಡ್ 2 ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ನಮ್ಮ ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಮನ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಿಂಗ್ ತಾಲೂಕಾ ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾರನ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೋಲ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು?
Upendra sir should play the star and I should play the fan.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಿಂಗ್ ತಾಲೂಕಾ
Planned for this Kannada version also, madam.
Okay.
But not to spoil this, what we call originality, we have put the same title, and same thing, Upendra sir, as it is, same thing will be dubbed in Kannada. Parallelly, same on November 27th, Kannada version also gets released here.
ಸೊ ನಮಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿರಾಸೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ರಾಮ್ ಸರ್, ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಲವ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ರಾಮ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಕಿಂಗ್ ತಾಲೂಕಾ ಮೂಲಕ ಮತ್ತೆ November 27th ಇಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
It's always a blessing. And Kannada, we're just discussing that even the languages are so similar. We're like brothers, where you know how to read Telugu, you know how to read Kannada. So it's